We are discussing the chemical properties of the acids. We have discussed that when the acid react with the metal carbonate, it will form salt, carbon dioxide and water. When this carbon dioxide gas which is formed passes through a lime water, this is the formula of lime water. CaOH twice. When the carbon dioxide formed in the above reaction will passes through a lime water, it will form the calcium carbonate plus water. And if we pass the excess of the carbon dioxide through lime water, then the milkiness disappears due to the formation of the soluble calcium hydrogen carbonate. It means when we pass the carbon dioxide gas through the lime water, then the milkiness will occur. And if we pass the excess of the carbon dioxide through the lime water, then the calcium carbonate will formed, and then the calcium hydrogen carbonate will formed, which will destroy the milkiness. It means again the solution become colorless. Clear? Next, neutralization reaction. What happen when an acid and base will react together? They will form salt and water. This reaction is termed as neutralization reaction. For example, hydrochloric acid react with the sodium hydroxide, it will form the salt and water. Sulfuric acid react with the sodium hydroxide, it will form salt and water. Next, fourth one is when the acid react with the metal oxide, it will form salt and water. For example, hydrochloric acid react with the copper oxide, it will form the copper chloride and water. And when the hydrochloric acid will react with the calcium oxide, it will form the calcium chloride and water. So these are the four properties of the acids. Clear to you? Next are the uses of acids. First is hydrochloric acid. It is used in dyestuffs, food and leather industry to remove the oxide film from the steel objects. Sulfuric acid, it is used in the car batteries and the manufacture of paints and dyes. Nitric acid is used in making the explosives and for making the fertilizers, explosives like the TNT, trinitrotoluene. Next are the bases. What are bases? Arrhenius is the name of the scientist which gave the definition of the acids as well as bases. They defined the bases as the substances which dissociate in water to give the hydroxide ion. Arrhenius said that acid will give the H positive ion and the bases will give the OH negative ion when dissolved in water. Clear?